Hey guys, Kevin here. Let's have a look at modules. Alright, so you might ask what are modules? Let's say I define 5 to 10 functions. Alright, I have defined these functions, I've written big codes for them. Now, I don't want it to be in my main file. Alright, I'm working on a big project. Alright, and I have all of these functions. I don't want them to be in the main file of it. Right, I don't want it to pollute it. So what I do is I store all of these functions in a file, right? And then what I do is I import that file into the main file, and then I can literally just access those functions, and it makes life way much easier. That's basically a module. Now there are different types of modules as well. Like one is a user-defined module, and second is the pre-defined module. You can get these modules online, and some of them are very famous, and we'll be learning them when we do machine learning. So like pandas, numpy, matplotlib. There are many more modules which are very important, and what they do is they're predefined. All right, they're already made by some people, and what we can do is we can just import those modules. Import, like, let's say pandas, import pandas as PD, and then we can use their predefined functions to make life easier for us. So to create your own module, what you can do is you can write all of these functions and then save them in a .py file. All right, and then to import it, you can use the import function. So like from module name, import function one comma function two. You can also change the name. So import module name as mod, and from module name import function one as fun. All right, so let's do one thing. Let's go to our coding space. Now collab won't work for this because collab doesn't support modules as far as I know. So in collab, what you can do is you can just copy paste the code of the module and in a separate cell, and then use it. What I'm going to be doing is I have created this calculator.py file, right? And this has four of my uh, functions. Now what I can do is I can create a new file called main.py, and what I can do is I can say import calculator as cal. Alright, import calculator as cal, and it has already accessed calculator.py file that is present in the folder. Now what I can do is I can say that a equals to int input enter number 1. Alright, and let's make a new line. Let's write b equals to enter number 2, and then let's do cal dot add a comma b. All right, cal dot sub a comma b, and cal dot mul a comma b, and cal dot div a comma b. All right, now if I run this code, run this Python file, my bad. If I run this Python file, if I have enter 5 and 10, I get 15, minus 5, 50, and 0.5. Alright, let's clear the terminal. I'll show you another example. If I run this, Python file, alright, enter number 1, let's say 10, number 2, 3, 10 plus 3, 13, 10 minus 3, 7, 10 into 3, 30, and 10 divided by 3, 3.3. So that's how you can import your own modules. You can also import modules that are from outside, import pandas, import numpy, and we're going to be looking at them in the future. Not in this course, but in another course. Now for conducting that on your collab file, what you can do is go to collab. We'll write modules, and then we write code space. These are the contents of calculator.py. Alright, see this one, see. Then let's paste this over here. Alright, and then let's put another code cell, and we're gonna write import calculator as let me just copy paste that code from here. Alright, this will throw an error obviously because it can't locate the calculator file. Right, it doesn't know where it is. So we're just gonna pretend that it's commented out, and we'll even need to change this, right? So this, I just comment it out, alright, so that you get the idea. Or let's do one thing, let's comment this entire cell out, alright. So you can put 3 over here and 3 over here, and yeah, that's it. We just clear the output for this. Yeah, right, so that's module done and dusted. Let's move on. Thanks for watching, guys. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to see more of these tutorials. Give me a follow on Twitter at Karia. And if you have any queries, feel free to send an email at ask.kevinpkaria@gmail.com.